What's up, guys? GNCRC back once again with another video. Before I start this video, I want to thank all you guys for jumping on the live stream with us and chatting it up with us, man, and showing all your rigs, all your builds, all your tricks and tips. I just want to thank all you guys. I hadn't done a video in this format in a while, but I wanted to do this video because my sponsor had sent some parts. I want to show you the parts that they sent. I have already kind of opened it up like so, but I hadn't looked in it. So you guys are going to get the first sneak peek along with me. I didn't know exactly what they sent, but we're going to start off here. And you guys know my sponsor's RC all-wheel drive. I got a ton of stickers here. Let's see what all we have. Got a ton of these. And we have a bunch more of these, which these are gonna go out on some of the giveaways, guys. And we have some wheel and tire sets. See if you guys can see those tread patterns. Can't really tell. We'll open this later. We have some shocks. And you guys know these are the shocks that are going on my build that I'm currently doing now. We have, oh, okay, cool. A little scale jerry can. The same aluminum. And we have, I don't know what this is. This is kind of large. It looks like a bumper. I think this is a bumper. But I think that's a little bit too large to fit one of these. Am I right? I might be wrong. I don't know. I'm gonna have to go on their website and see what part this is. I don't know. This may not be for the 24s. I know everything's supposed to be for the 24s. But I want to send a shout out to them and thank them for sending these parts over. So as many of you guys know, I have a bunch of builds I'm working on right now. And I'm sure you guys want to know what rig these parts are going to go on. So it's going to go on this. You guys remember me buying this one back, I think in the summer. I got too many rigs and I got a bunch that I'm about to get rid of. I teamed up with RC all-wheel drive for these parts. These parts are going to go on this rig. I'm going to open this thing, take this rig out, put all those parts on there. So this is going to go out to you guys. I want to thank you guys for joining the video and just stay tuned because we got a bunch of stuff coming up. Till next time, guys, this is GNCRC. Thanks for watching.